What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your PNC Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's move forward. So the first step, search for PNC Bank login and click on the first link over here. It will take you to this website. Over here, click on where it says sign on and then enter your user ID over here. And over here, you want to enter your password and just click on login and you should be able to log in into your PNC Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody. Peace out.